What's going on, family? Black Phoenix checking in right now. I'm at my guy, Mr. Al, his small savage yard that he got right beside his house. So I'm here finding a few items, posting it on Marketplace, Craigslist, selling a few things a day. We have already sold a few things, so we have made some money already. So I'm out here helping him, man, because he ain't real phone savvy. So I post the pictures up. He tell me what the price is, what he want for it, and that way we make money. So it's a lot of different stuff that he got out here. So toolboxes, tools, pallet jacks. He got some of everything. Some grills out here, and good heavy duty grills. He got a couple of them small welders he got out here. One of them work, one of them don't. So there's a lot of few things he got out here. So it's a lot of stuff that you never know who needs something. This welder right here is for sale. These tanks, golf cart, all this stuff you see is pretty much going. So it's a lot of different things though. We selling everything. Everything must go. So for those who need something, you know what I mean, and you're around my way, this is actually El Mirage. So we have a lot of few things down here in El Mirage. So if you need something and you in the West Valley, come down here and check Mr. Al out, man. Hit me up. He got a few things going he trying to get rid of. Probably could make you a deal. HogOn.